In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure reverse charge in Zoho Books. Reverse charge is a tax mechanism where the buyer, not the seller, reports the tax on a sale. It's commonly used for cross-border services and certain domestic supplies, depending on your region. Enabling it in Zoho Books ensures your invoices and tax reports reflect this correctly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Head to the official Zoho site and sign into your account. If you manage multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding, since tax settings are organization-specific. You'll need the right permissions to change tax settings. So if you don't see the options shown here, check with your account admin. Once you're in, select Books from the list of apps. If you don't see it immediately, open the app launcher and choose Books there. After Zoho Books loads, look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where all organization-level preferences live. In the Settings area, find the Taxes and Compliance section and select Taxes. This is the hub for your tax regions, rates, and returns. Next, click Tax Settings. This page controls how taxes are applied and displayed in your transactions. Scroll until you find the Reverse Charge section. Here, check the option to enable reverse charge in sales transactions. The exact wording can vary by country or tax regime, so you might see a slightly different label, but it will reference reverse charge on sales. Turning this on allows you to mark applicable sales invoices as reverse charge, ensuring the tax is not charged by you, but is still captured for reporting. Depending on your region, this may also affect how invoices display tax notes and how your VAT or GST reports categorize those transactions. After selecting the option, save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to make sure your settings were updated. If you don't see the reverse charge option later on an invoice, try refreshing your browser. Double-check your organization's tax region in Settings and confirm your user role has access to tax features. Also note that some countries may require specific wording on invoices. Zoho usually adds standard notes automatically once this setting is enabled, but you can customize your invoice template if needed. And that's it. You've enabled reverse charge in Zoho Books. Going forward, when you create a sale that falls under reverse charge rules, simply mark it accordingly so your records and filings remain accurate.